Alright, I am going to try to remove the front LCD screen from the front of the GoPro case. And to do that, somebody else posted this great tip about using either a playing card or a piece of plastic. So I use this plastic. This is the Beta FPV85X case. And I tried one before, but I think I did it wrong. So I cut another piece. I just cut this out with an X-Acto knife. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that one side is flat and then one side is bevel, so it's almost like a chisel. And I'm going to slide it in there. So you want to slide the flat side down below the screen so that it doesn't poke into it, right? So hopefully the beveled part will just, you know, lift that screen right off. So I've already got this side kind of flat. I'm gonna make this side. This is a little bit probably like making a shiv in prison, I guess, huh? So let's try making this side beveled. Oh, that's pretty good. Alright, okay, I got my screen. I'm going to try to go under this tape. So that means I need to push this tape through like this. There we go. And then I guess I will try to go under that. We'll see if that works. I might have to go over. We'll give that a shot. So I'm going to heat this up a little bit with a heat gun. Let's see if I can go under. Case is aluminum. It's going to be a little warm. Be careful. I might go about this. Whoa. Ooh, ooh. Maybe that's on the side. There we go. That's not good. It's crazy. What is that stuff? Heat sink? Alright. Let's see if that works. Okay, I hooked up my BEC. Make sure you cover this in shrink wrap or protect it somehow, because if this touches like the negative here, you get sparks. I've seen it. Okay, so I got my display. So I have my buttons. I didn't use a ribbon. You can use a ribbon cable. You can use the button modifications or whatever. You just have to have a way of turning this on. See if the screen works. So that's the screen I just removed. Okay, let's turn this on. Remember, this is just a test. And there we go. Alright. So, no SD card, of course. So the screen looks pretty good. You guys on this video may be seeing a weird refresh rate because of my LED lights. So it looks like it's wavy, but it's not. It's just the screen frame per second having to do with the LED refresh rate of my lamp. So it looks good. All right, it works.